Hello, my name's Dominic Fonte with Cutler Real Estate. I'd like to take you through my virtual walkthrough. Since you can't be with me, I'd like you to enjoy this beautiful home located in Lake Township, North Canton School District. The address is 10898 Newbury Avenue, Northwest, Uniontown, Ohio, 44685. This has 4 bedrooms. It has a finished lower level, so you got a great rec space for exercise, entertainment, teenagers, whatever. It's really nice. There's sidewalks, nice deck, great little backyard, storage shed, lovely traditional 2-story, so why don't you take a look with me. All right, let's take a look at the outside first. Let's see. So right here at the front door, you can see here, nice landscaping. You got sidewalks out front. Oh, little chair area, just a small sitting area. Okay, so when you come in, you see straight ahead to the kitchen, to the right for the parlor, living room, and to the left, formal dining room. So let's take a peek. And then, of course, up ahead to the bedrooms. So this is turned into an office, but basically this would be the parlor. Okay, give you an idea. The walls are painted. It's a sponged look, oak trim, and then the carpeting is a plush. It's like a chocolatey taupey color. Okay, the ceilings are antiqued. If you look at the finish, it's not stomped, it's more knocked down, so it's an antique look. This is Greentree subdivision, lovely neighborhood. And the foyer and the dining room floors are wood, so you can see there in the foyer. So let's take a look. So in the formal dining area here, you have a trade ceiling. You have chair rail. It's a nice, refreshing color. All right, you can see the floor is really nice. Warm and inviting, a lot of natural light coming in. Okay, so we're gonna head into the kitchen area. So let's take another view here from the front. All right, so you have a hallway, and then off the hallway is a pocket door with a half bath. So this is actually 2.5 baths. Okay, pedestal sink. And then the floor is vinyl. The kitchen is the same type of floor. So you have eating area, large dining table, breakfast bar, oak cabinetry, a lot of space. This is 20-some feet long probably. Let's see. So you can see all the cabinets. Let's see here. Gas stove. You can put that cast iron on and cook up a storm. Okay, so this is the view out the window. It's hard to tell, but let me just see if I can get you a little look. Well, not a very good look. We'll go out there in a minute. Lots of counter space for food prep. It's a laminate top, neutral in decor. That would be out to the garage. All right, now we're gonna go to the family room, which is adjacent. A little peek here to the dining area again. And then the hallway, right here. And then the family room. So you can see you have a gas fireplace for the cozy nights in the winter, natural light coming in. The same color carpeting. It's really nice. All neutral in decor. Okay, let's take a peek upstairs and then we'll check out the rec room. One more little peek outside. Okay, here's your parlor. Now up the steps we go. Okay, let's check out the master bedroom first. All right. This would be a walk-in closet. Okay. Got a window. Plenty of space. If I can get out, right? All right, and then you have your master bathroom. It has a plank floor. I'll show it to you here in a second. Okay. Here's what the floor looks like. It's like a vinyl planking. You have a soaker tub. This is just out the back. Okay. So this is a cultured marble top. Good sized vanity. Okay, let's go back and check out some of these other rooms. Okay. Okay, here you go. So it's 4 bedrooms in all. Okay, linen closet right out here in the hallway. All right, a nice size room here. This is the view out the window, out the backyard. So all the closets have double-sized doors, good-sized storage. One of the things to note, I know a lot of people probably wouldn't notice, is you see here how there's a register here and above. Now that's a cold air return. So how that works would be, if it's hot in the summer and heat rises, you open or close it according to the season. You get more efficiency out of your furnace that way. Circulates the air better. Okay, here's the bathroom. Same type of flooring as in the master. It's the gray planking, very nice vinyl. Marble countertop. And then behind the shower curtain, it's a tub shower fiberglass kit. Okay, here's your other bedroom. This looks out to the front of the house here. All right. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go check out the rec room. Okay. So here you have a rec room space, drop ceiling. Just give you a different view here. So over to the left, you can see they have it turned into an exercise room. Could be a game room or anything really. Plenty of space. Glass block windows, electric panel here behind the door. A nice storage room over here. Storage under the steps. And then the utility room is right here with the furnace area. So let me show you that. So here you go. Washer and dryer, wash tub, 40-gallon water heater, forced air furnace with central air conditioning, gas heat. Okay, let's go take a peek in the backyard. All right, so right here, boy, what a gorgeous day. All right, so I'm on a deck. So this is a 2-tier deck. And then here's the second tier. You step down, and then of course a patio with a fire pit. And then let's take a look over here. So you can see another fire pit to the left of the bush. Nice little storage shed. Nice little neighborhood here. Feels like you're in a private backyard. I wanted to say thanks for tuning in today and checking out my tour here in North Canton. If you'd be interested in this property, you'd like to look at it, feel free to call me at 330-418-1535 or go to my website at dominicfonte.com, and you can see this tour as well as many others that I've done. Or if you want to send me an email, go to dominic@dominicfonte.com. Hope you have a great day.